Everyone, it's Cynthia with Ideal Credit Union. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to go over HomeAdvantage. HomeAdvantage is a program that's powered by CU Realty. It provides services that will help you in your home buying and or selling process. One of the things that I really love about it is the cash rewards, especially when I have a first-time home buyer or someone who could really use those extra funds for closing. They get a full-time licensed, seasoned realtor, and in return for that, you get cash rewards. You also have access to the multiple listing service, and this is a free service to you. Under the multiple listing service, you can search for homes. You also have the added advantage that you can look up things like demographics, about the local schools, crimes, neighborhood data. When you're working with a realtor, they can't discourage you or give you any information about the areas that you're searching in. That's really up to you to be able to do that. For instance, if you say, I want to look at a home in this neighborhood, they can't go, have you thought about that? But you can do your research into the different neighborhoods, which sometimes if you don't know where you want to move or you're looking for that specific school district and want to know how they're rated, and that's really important to you, these have some excellent tools that you can use. There's also some research market trends like the median list prices, sold prices, price per square foot. You can save your searches, which is another added advantage. The home evaluation tools, as we just discussed, can be a really good way if you're getting ready to sell to take a look at your current home, see the recent sales in your neighborhood. And if you're selling, it also has those great tips that you can use to help you create curb appeal and ways that you might think of in staging your house. And staging doesn't always mean that you have to hire a stager and spend a lot of money and bring in their furniture and do those things. There's simple tips that you can do as a way to like position the furniture in room, you know, less is more, getting rid of some of your clutter and things like that. So it can be really nice to have some of those tools and resources when you're selling your house. Again, the cash rewards is my favorite part of the program. The cash rewards is given to you by your realtor. So what happens is when someone is selling a home, they determine the percentage that they're going to sell their home for. So for instance, typically in the metro area, that's 6%. So the seller meets with their agent. They determine the commission that's going to be paid, which again is typically 6%. The agent who's listing or selling the home earns 3.3% of that 6%, and the selling or the buyer's agent that comes in gets 2.7%. So you would take the purchase price of the house times your agent's commission, the 3.3 or 2.7, and then you would get 20% of that. So that's really nice, and you can use those funds any way that you wish. In a buy situation, it can reduce the amount of your money that you need to bring in, and then in a sale, you get a little bit more funds back. So either way you win. The 20% is a great advantage of working with the HomeAdvantage program. On average, the cash rewards are about $1,600, but that, again, varies on the purchase price. So if that's something that you're interested in, please sign up today. Please contact one of the many mortgage loan advisors here at the credit union. You can reach us at 651-747-HOME. Thank you so much, and hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.